next step is I'm going to show you is how to replace the bearings on both the inner and the outer or the hand rim side of your wheel. There's also a little sleeve in there. You'll need to keep track of that as well. Now we're going to show you how to replace that outer bearing you just removed prior to this step. I'm going to use a block of wood and center it on there, and it a few times, and you'll know when it seats or when it fills. Once you've got it flush, the outer bearing goes in just a little bit deeper, which you can get in just a few taps with a socket. Flip it over and we'll do the same procedure, but don't forget to put in your axle sleeve first. Do the same procedure. A few hits on it, once it's flush, the job is done.